Welcome to our channel where we explore the wonders of natural remedies and superfoods. Today, we're exploring the incredible health benefits of a fruit that's been cherished for centuries in traditional medicine, the Indian gooseberry, also known as Amla. Indian gooseberry, or Amla, is a powerhouse of nutrients and has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for over 3,000 years. This small, green fruit is native to India and has a sour, tangy taste. It's packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients that support overall health. Now, you might be wondering how Indian gooseberry differs from regular gooseberry. Regular gooseberries, found in Europe and North America, are larger, come in a variety of colors, and have a sweet tart flavor. While they are also nutritious, Indian gooseberries are particularly renowned for their higher vitamin C content and medicinal properties. Today, we're uncovering the top health benefits of Indian gooseberry that you need to know. Let's get started. Number 5. Boosts immune system. Indian gooseberry is incredibly rich in vitamin C, which is known for its immune-boosting properties. Amla contains up to 20 times more vitamin C than oranges. Regular consumption of Amla can help enhance your body's defense against infections and illnesses. Number 4. Improves digestion. Amla is a natural remedy for digestive issues. It stimulates the secretion of digestive juices, aiding in better digestion and absorption of nutrients. Amla is also high in fiber, which helps regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. Your karma, your health. Before moving on, get to know our channel. Your karma, your health is intended for sharing with y'all the simplest effective ways you can use to take control of your health and your life. Ancient medicine practices which are thousands of years old have imparted us great knowledge free of any propaganda engines. If you do good to your body will do good to you. Next time before you put something inside your body, ask yourself, what does your gut tell you? This channel is neither an anti-vaxxer propaganda campaign nor is it providing healthcare advice for patients, since it bears no liability for your reliance on the information contained here. But plain and simple, it says you need to understand what you ingest. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Alright, now let's get back to our video. Number 3. Aids liver detox. Amla is a natural detoxifier that helps cleanse the liver and flush out toxins from the body. Its high antioxidant content aids in the regeneration of liver cells, promoting better liver function and overall detoxification. Number 2. Supports heart health. Amla has been shown to reduce cholesterol levels and prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Its antioxidant properties help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key factors in heart disease. Incorporating Amla into your diet can support overall cardiovascular health. Number 1. Enhances hair health. Amla is a popular ingredient in hair care products due to its ability to strengthen hair follicles, promote hair growth, and prevent dandruff. Applying Amla oil or consuming Amla regularly can result in healthier, shinier hair. There you have it. 5 compelling reasons to incorporate more Amla into your daily life. So, how can you enjoy more Amla in your diet? It's simple. Add Amla powder to your smoothies, mix it with water to make Amla juice, or incorporate it into your cooking. You can also find Amla supplements if you prefer a more convenient option. Please consult your doctor prior to taking any Amla supplements. As you explore the world of natural remedies and superfoods, we encourage you to delve deeper into the benefits of Amla and how it can enhance your health. Remember, nature has provided us with an abundance of healing ingredients, and Amla is an outright star. So, embrace the power of Amla and let its health-boosting properties transform your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey.